Importance of environmental study. So from ancient times, there is lots of changes are made in the environment. So today we affect this earth system significantly as by extracting the materials that is required for generation of the electricity or generation of the energy. That industry is emitting the pollution that may affect to the uh, environmental system. So due to overexploitation of the natural resources and pollution of the environment, increase in pollution due to increase in population, so that may affect to the life support system. So there are various eco problems are developed, like floods, cyclones, or global warming, change in the environment, temperature, or change in the environmental condition, climatic conditions. So that is affecting to the environment due to overexploitation of the natural resources. So due to pollution also, that may create various several problems like the chemically altered environment that will make the all the lives more difficult to survive. Healthy environment is not preserved. The water is polluted. That will not be potable water. It will not be used for drinking purpose. Also, air is polluted due to increase in population, vehicles. So that affect to the environmental system. Also, the chlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere due to increase in pollution. What happens? There is a decrease in the ozone layer. That will deplete the ozone layer. So that will affect to the environment. So there is a environmental change is there throughout the area which is surrounding to us. Environmental changes are made from past 50 years. So this magnitude and rate of change that will depend upon the how we act and how we maintain the environment. कशावर depend है? Every person has his own responsibility to preserve the environment, to preserve the environmental resources. त्यामध्ये pollution होणे म्हणून काय करता येईल? Water pollution होणे म्हणून किंवा air pollution होणे म्हणून काय करता येईल? What are the measures have to be taken? All is depending upon the how the society or person is that is knowing about this environmental science, how this is important regarding their for maintaining their health, how the healthy environment is maintained. So that is required for your next generation. पुढच्या पिढीसाठी ते तुम्हाला हे environment तुम्हाला preserve करावं लागणार. So you have to preserve this environment so that next generation they may get good quality of air, good quality of water, good quality of food. They may get this environmental resources can be utilized by the next generation. So every generation has a responsibility to maintain the quality of the environment, to preserve the nature of the environment. So everyone has a responsibility, importance that you should know. What are the environmental studies definition? The definitions given by various environmental researchers or ecologists ज्यांनी environmental science study केले किंवा वेगवेगळे त्यांनी पुस्तकं लिहिले आहेत या environmental science वर त्यांनी काय डिफाईन केलंय environmental study? तर यामध्ये जॉन टर्क आहेत, पर्डॉन अँडरसन आहेत, बेनार्ड नेबेल who have given the definition of this environmental science or environmental study. According to John Turk, who is the ecologist or who is the author or researcher who have written several books or research papers who have done the research on environmental science. So according to him, what is the definition of the environmental study? So according to John Turk, environmental science provides an approach towards the understanding the environment of our planet and the impact of human life on the environment. According to him, what he says, understanding the environment of our planet. To study the environmental features, ज्यामध्ये आपण वेगवेगळे आपण फिजिक्स आहे, केमिस्ट्री आहे, जिओलॉजी आहे, सोशल सायन्स आहे, all this knowledge which is included in this environmental science, understanding the various sciences of the environment, environmental study, and what is the impact of human life वर काय impact होत आहे, environment वर काय impact होत आहे, ते यामध्ये दिलेलं आहे. What are the several problems may create? It also search for solution to the environmental problems that confront us. जे काही environmental problems create होतील त्याला कसं सामोरं जायचं, त्यावर सोल्युशन काय काढायचं ते यामध्ये दिले एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडी मध्ये. जसं अर्थक्वेक असेल, सुनामी आले, सुनामी असेल, ज्यावेळेस ते प्रॉब्लेम डेव्हलप होतात किंवा एखादा ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग असेल किंवा एखादा क्लायमेटिक चेंज असेल, क्लायमेटिक चेंज झाले असेल, अवकाळी पाऊस असेल किंवा एखादा दुष्काळ परिस्थिती उद्भवली असेल, त्या सिच्युएशन मध्ये तुम्ही काय उपाययोजना करणार, तर काय प्रॉब्लेम्स त्याला काय सोल्युशन तुम्ही देणार एन्व्हायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लेम्सना, किंवा सायक्लॉन्स असतील, अजून काय प्रॉब्लेम्स असतील. सो हाऊ विल फेस दिस सिच्युएशन, how will you face this environmental problems? So that study, how will confront to this environmental problems, that study is given in this environmental science. This is the definition given by John Turk. Then Purdon Anderson, according to him, what is the definition? Environmental science is an application of knowledge from many disciplines to the study and management of the environment. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय काय इन्क्लूड केलेलं आहे? नॉलेज ऑफ द मेनी डिसिप्लिन्स, नॉलेज ऑफ सायन्स, फिजिक्स, फिजिकल सायन्स, knowledge of the chemical science, knowledge of the biological science, social science, geological science. All these disciplines are included in the environmental science. There's an application of this knowledge for the study of the environment. And also management of the environment. Environmental management कसं करायचं? How to maintain the quality of the environment. And it also deals with the analysis of the conditions, circumstances that influence the life, and in turn how life responds to these circumstances. म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रिएट झाले, इको प्रॉब्लेम्स, त्याला कसं सामोरं जायचंय, हाऊ टू कन्फ्रंट दॅट एन्व्हायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लेम्स, इफ एनी सर्कमस्टेन्सेस कंडिशन्स अराइज, हाऊ टू फेस दॅट सिच्युएशन. This is definition given by Purdon and Anderson. The second researcher who has given this definition. Then Bernard Nebel, who has given this definition. According to him, Environmental study is the scientific study of the maintenance of ecobalance among the various ecosystem. काय दिले डेफिनेशन? सायंटिफिक स्टडी आहे फॉर मेंटेनिंग द इको बॅलन्स अमॉंग व्हेरियस इकोसिस्टीम. वेगवेगळ्या इकोसिस्टीम मध्ये इको बॅलन्स कसं मेंटेन करायचं, क्वालिटी ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंट कसं प्रिझर्व करायचं ते दिलेलं आहे. इकोसिस्टीम मध्ये वेगवेगळे टाइप्स असतात, जसं नॅचरल इकोसिस्टीम आहे, आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टीम आहे. जे मॅन मेड आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं? आर्टिफिशियल इकोसिस्टीम. जे नॅचरली अवेलेबल आहे इकोसिस्टीम आहे त्याला नॅचरल इकोसिस्टीम आहेत. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे टाइप्स आहेत, ग्रासलँड इकोसिस्टीम, देन फ्रेश वॉटर इकोसिस्टीम. टू मेंटेन, जसं पाण्यामध्ये सुद्धा जीव असतात, जसं फिश आहे, स्मॉल फिशेस, लार्ज फिशेस, किंवा इन्सेक्ट्स, बॅक्टेरिया. ऑल्सो ऑन द अर्थ ऑल्सो दिस देर आर सेव्हरल ॲनिमल्स लाईक काऊ, गोट, प्लांट्स, जिराफ, elephant, or other type of animals. So there are various types of consumers, producers, decomposers are there. So this forms a ecosystem जे आपण पुढच्या युनिट मध्ये पाहणार आहे. इको बॅलन्स मेंटेन करता आला पाहिजे among these various ecosystem. For this environmental study is necessary. This is a definition given by Bernard Nebel. These are the three definitions given by this environmental researchers, environmental scientists who have given these definitions. समजलं इथपर्यंत डेफिनेशन कळाले का? काय डिफिकल्टी काय मध्ये? ओके, इथपर्यंत आपण पाहिलं इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ द एन्व्हायरमेंटल सायन्स and its definitions. Now here we will stop. In next lecture we will see the nature of environmental study. Okay, समजलं का इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत त्यामध्ये? Any difficulty you can ask in chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask. समजलं नसेल तर विचारा, काही पॉइंट समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. Okay, here we will stop. Next lecture we will see this nature of environmental study. So everyone give attendance in chat box. Chat box मध्ये टाइप करायचं your division and roll number. A division असेल A, पुढे रोल नंबर असेल A1 असेल A2, A3, A4, A5 याप्रमाणे अटेंडन्स द्या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. एव्हरीवन गिव्ह टाइप your division and roll number in chat box.